So the purpose to I'm creating this blog to introduce to all of you, and before that, please allow me to welcome all of you here on my page on my channel. And
Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. But your love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, baby.
good evening. So I'm your, I'm a person. I'm your vlogger, and this is my new channel. Welcome and welcome. So today or tonight, we're gonna topic the welcome address chat. Welcome address for the welcome to my page that the new creations, new created page, my page, because my the other page that I create, my last page is will be I cannot open it, so I created a new page. This is Andrew Bantilan, and and my another page is Andrew Brog, but that's not that's not my real, and this is the real. Okay, so before we start, I'm introducing myself. My name is Andrew Bantilan from San Surga del Norte, and I'm in Mindanao. Then I'm running 18 years old. That this coming December. Yes, medyo malayo-layo pa yun. And so the purpose to I'm creating this blog to introduce to all of you, and before that, please allow me to welcome all of you here on my page on my channel. And the reason why I'm creating this video, because I want you to know that you have a new vlogger in here in YouTube. So sorry, it's my touch tone languages inside of my mouth, because I don't know, I'm talking it and I don't know. But for that, that's all. I think maybe that's all. I'll welcome you, and maybe I don't know. Basta yun na yun. Welcome to all of you here in my new channel. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to update it always. And here in my YouTube channel, you watch a day of my life and any content that I require, that I want to create. You can request and you can message me on Facebook page, my Facebook page Andrew Blog, or in my real account Andrew Bantilan. So that's all. Maybe that's all. But if you want to request content, you can comment down below or message me. So maybe that's all, and thank you so much. That's all. Click the subscribe, click the notification bell, don't forget to select all to be updated to all my videos. Thank you.